Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Watch Dogs 2. We're going to be doing like a little heist thing for the storyline, I guess. I'm not quite sure, but we are just going to go steal some parts for some robots. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so it seems like we just have to go through the front, so let's get on with that. You gotta figure out how you and that didn't work as planned. Yeah, I forgot to turn that off. Shoot, shoot, there's another guy coming. Hold up. Shh. You don't need to tell anybody. Yeah, let's not tell Wrench about that. That'd be really bad. So let's just find a way past the security system. Yeah, so that just happened. Well, we're just gonna move on from that. I think some other people were alarmed, but I want to get through there, but I don't know where the hacking thing is. So I think we can just go this way. There's another bot. Disable that. And let's just gonna move on. Okay. Everything going smoothly right now. I don't want anything to go wrong. So I think there was a guy around this corner. Yep, there was. Yeah, let's take care of that. Alright, we made it to the control room. I guess this is where some of the parts are for some reason, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure how we just randomly grabbed one. Like, is there a specific one we were supposed to grab? But, whatever. We got it. We're just gonna keep moving on. Where else do we gotta go? Alright, so I found some more things, but we gotta disable the bots because I don't want to be spotted and alert literally every guard. So we gotta take this stealthily. Wait, oh, it's inside. I thought it was outside for some reason, like in the back. Where is it? No, where? Oh, there it is. Alright, let's pick this up, grab this, whatever it is, circuit board? I don't know. And let's get out of here. Alright, I'm just gonna take cover here. I'm gonna call in a gang member on this one dude, because the supplies are, like, right down a little pocket right there. And I just need a distraction, so hopefully when the gang members come here, they just shoot up the place. So I can get to that supplies. We're just gonna sit here and wait for the gang members to arrive, and I guess we're gonna see what happens next. I think I see them. Yep, they're here. Definitely here. Yeah. Okay. Calling some more. Now's our time to go. Man, I didn't want to do this. I'm sorry, man. I didn't want to. I'm just trying to be peaceful, man. I didn't want to do any of this. I'm sorry. Okay, so I found the final stuff. So hopefully we can just get out of here and not worry about killing any more people because I feel so bad. Not really, because, you know, they went for me first. Another robot.
Where's Junior now?
Code 3. Closest units, proceed to alarm location.
Man, that was brutal, man. Not gonna lie, that was like really brutal. Just smack the robot in the back of its head and just blow its brains out? Jeez.
Okay, little guy. Today is your day. Make us proud.
Second parts of the plan has commenced in this operation.
My turn.
Must do some hacking. Okay, so first off, this robot was captured by DedSec, and second of all, the robot needs to chill out. Alright, where do we go? There's no jump button. You can't jump. I'm so confused. I'll get back to you guys when I figure this out. Alright, I'm back. Turns out that if I just listened, it told me how to do this. Yeah, so I just need to hack my way in order to get onto this ramp thingy. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go with the flow. Alright, I figured out another way on how to get through, so we're just gonna keep on going, following the path. Seems like they're, like, disabling stuff and throwing away the rest of these bots. I'm confused. Where the heck am I supposed to be going at this point? Is there one of them boxes that I need to hack? Yeah, there's somewhere down there. Okay, I figure I need to move that. So Hey, I want to mess around with the robot taunts, okay? Mr. Operation Leader Dude. Let me have fun.
You're mad.
Man, this place is like a maze.
Just keep
Yeah,
going.
you got that
Third
right.
cage is up ahead.
Yeah, I know that it's up ahead, but how do I... Where's the box? I'm so it's right there. Alright. I figured it out. No worries. Boys, fams, we can figure this out. We just need to stick with the plan.
This is a mean one, Bob.
Why? I don't understand. This robot just starts saying random gibberish all the time. It's so weird. Alright. Trying to figure out all this hacking stuff is actually, like, annoying. Hey, there's scientists and all that. Hello? Are you not questioning my existence? How this robot's just randomly hacking all your equipment? Yeah, I'm just gonna casually go this way. Oh my gosh, this robot needs to shut up. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes, we made it to the objective.
Alright, Junior's in place.
So basically, this robot's like an EMP thingy. So, bye-bye. Let's see what happens. Alright, so after processing some stuff, we finally got the data that we need to, get stuff done and whatevs. However that works. Alright, let's just wait for this to get done downloading and then we can get out of here. Alright.
CEO's office. My blueprint doesn't show where it goes, which means it's exactly...
Alright. Yep, just needed to take care of that for a second. Why'd you have to come in the room, man? You could just, like, been somewhere else doing your job and all that, but no, you had to come in here and see the dead body, so I had to do it to him, guys. I had to. Alright, took care of all that, as you saw, but here's the office, and I'm pretty sure that's the elevator over there, so
She even got her own
we're gonna have to go to that.
elevator.
Okay, so I can run in here. Yeah, that's nothing important that I need to search. How do I know the code for this? Like, how do I know? It's not my elevator. Unless, well, I mean, I am a hacker, so, I mean... So, yeah. Alright, boys, we're back after a long elevator ride, and my game is glitching, but that's okay. I had to do tons of hacking, but we made it back down into this little bunker area. And there's 2 steel doors. Alright, what's behind here?
Guys,
No.
I can't even.
What is this? Dude, this is epic.
I can't even.
It's a giant robot spider thing. What? I don't know. I gotta take a selfie with this thing. Alright. Smile.
Man, why does he get to play with all the toys?
Yeah, Wrench is jealous. Alright, boys, we made it to the control room. So I couldn't sprint to the control room. Oh my gosh. We can drive. Does this say have guns on it? It does. Alright. Let's just enjoy the action.
Alright, I think I got this beast all figured out. Just gotta get it through these security doors. Any ideas?
Listen, if you knock out the fire suppression system, the doors should...
What's going on in there? Don't know, man. Way above my pay grade. Good luck.
Alright boys, as you can see we have just finished up the mission, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash that like button down below, and please subscribe and turn on notifications. That would really help me out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.